Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I know I look ridiculous, but today I will be showing you guys how I do my bold red lip makeup. And first I like to start off with my brows already done, and I just have some Revlon concealer underneath, and all the products that I use will be in the description bar down below. But I'm just adding some cocoa butter on my face to prime it, and then some Vaseline. Okay, so right here I am going to be taking my Revlon Color Stay in the color 06 concealer and applying that in a upside down triangular shape, just for extra coverage underneath my eyes, and then on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin as well. And to blend all that concealer together, I'll be using my Real Techniques stippling brush. This part kind of got edited out, but the foundation that I'm using is the Revlon Color Stay Combination Oily in 440 Mahogany mixed with Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 340 Cappuccino. And I mixed these together because the Revlon was just a little bit too dark and then the Fit Me was just too light, so I mixed it to get like a happy medium. And the brush that I'm using to blend all that out is my Morphe brush. I forgot the exact name of it because it kind of rubbed off the brush, but it's my Morphe brush, so yeah. On my eyes, I will be using my Morphe 350S shimmer palette, and the first color that I'm putting on is a coppery shade, and then I'm using my Real Techniques blending brush to apply that. And to make that copper shade pop a little more, I'm just using like a champagne gold shade in the same Morphe 350S palette. And I'm still using my Real Techniques blending brush. To give my eyes a little bit of depth, I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark, and I'll be taking that contour shade and just putting it in my outer corners. I tried to apply my liner on camera and it just did not go as planned, and the liner that I used was the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black, and the lashes that I'm using is Salon Perfect Go Glam Multi-Pack and Demi Wispies, and I am applying those off camera as well. Hope you guys don't mind. After I apply my false lashes, I like to go through with some mascara and just blend my lashes with the false lashes. So I chose to use my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot mascara just to blend everything together. To make my contour really stand out, I like to use my Airspun translucent powder, and I like to apply that underneath my cheekbones, right almost on my jawline, to just accentuate that part of my face. For my contour, I like to use the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark, and the brush that I will be applying that with is the Wet n Wild Angled Brush. For my highlight, I'm using the same exact contour palette, and I'm just taking that highlighter color that you saw in there, which is like a gold color, and I like to use that as my highlight. And the brush that I'm using is the Morphe M510 highlighting brush. If you know me, you know that I am extra and I just love highlighter. So for my second highlighter, I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Precious Petals. And I think I probably put too much on, but I don't care. I love highlight. I'm taking the same Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter and I'm putting that in my inner corners to make my eyes appear a little bit brighter and bigger. Everything look uniform, I'll be using my Real Techniques buffing brush and wiping away that Airspun that you saw me put on there and blending out my highlight and contour all together. I also like to put highlighter underneath my brows and on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, so I'll be using my Wet n Wild highlighter. For my lips, I chose to use MAC Ruby Woo just because it's such a nice red color and it looks good on anybody. And I'm using just a regular makeup brush to apply that, and I'll be lining my lips first with the Ruby Woo lipstick and then filling it in. After they're all filled in with the Ruby Woo lipstick, I just went over top of that with some Kokie lip veneer in the color 783 Mistress, and it's just a creamy gloss, and the formula is amazing and it lasts all day. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next video. Bye.